Something is not right. Why does it feel like I already know? That night. Why can't I forget it? No, this doesn't feel right. Atifuni is we.
We're already here.
Ndizunes Mendavona. I didn't understand it that night. I felt it, but I didn't listen. It wasn't a dream. It really happened.
You are awake early. You didn't sleep, Nwanwanga.
I tried.
Your spirit is speaking.
I don't understand it.
You do, you are just afraid.
Zuyanka Kisa.
Then do not run from it.
Why are you all quiet?
Relax. It's nothing. Maybe we should go.
No, wait. This doesn't feel right.
I don't like this. Guys, relax.
No. No. That night, something happened. Fulu, you've been quiet. I'm just thinking. No, you're carrying something. You can tell me.
This is getting serious now. I don't like this. We didn't plan this. So what now? Now, we stay quiet. What if she remembers? Then we handle it.
I remember. Not everything, but enough. And I'm not going to ignore it. Fulu, you're scaring me now. You don't talk, you don't laugh, you just hear. Do you ever feel like something happened, but your mind is hiding it from you? Yes, but not like this. I remember pieces. Night voices, silence, and fear. Who was there? Say what you feel, not what you're sure of. The boys.
We can't just act normal like nothing happened. We shouldn't even be together right now. Say something, bro. Panicking will make it worse.
Which boys? Rendani, Mashudu, Shony. All of them?
Ziho Vela Kagala.
I said no. I remember that part. Fulu.
She's going to remember everything. Maybe she already has. We should just tell the truth. No, not yet.
Listen to me. Whatever happened, it is not your fault. It doesn't feel like that. Feelings lie sometimes. Truth doesn't. I need to know everything. Not pieces, not feelings. The truth. Where are you going? To them. Are you ready for that? No. But I'm not staying silent. You don't have to do this alone. I know. But I need to hear it from them.
I don't like this feeling. She's coming. I can feel it. What are we even going to say? Nothing, unless we have to.
I need to ask you something. That night, what happened?
Fulu, it was just...
Just what?
We were just talking.
No. I remember saying no. Answer me.
We didn't think, Shony.
Why is he scared to speak?
No one is scared.
Then speak.
You're remembering things wrong.
Don't do that. Look at me. Your silence is already an answer. I'm not done with this.